So this is my issue. I've got 3 mowers, none of them start or run. Eeny, meeny, miny, mow. I know this one did run last. This one, previous owner, my mother-in-law, said it hasn't run in the past 4 years. This one belongs to my son. He said it used to run. I've not been able to start it. Yep, that is bad. Bad, 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 bad. That thing is broken, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those. The way this linkage works, it's a Z, and I gotta twist this thing around to get that linkage out of there. There we go, freed up. That thing is nasty. First thing we're gonna do is just clean this. It's just a mess. Got this cleaned off as best I can. I'll stick that O-ring back in and put the retaining ring back in until it snaps. It's good. And I cleaned the fuel tank and I filtered the fuel. So I got to just put all of this back together. Moment of truth. Nothing's happening. I forgot to mention that this is the old gasket and diaphragm, and the diaphragm looks like it's still serviceable. However, the gasket was broke here. I don't know if that was a culprit or not. So investing 30-40 bucks in a brand new carburetor setup, I think is probably pretty well worth it. Appreciate it. Thank you for the view. And until next time, have a great day.